Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I will give you an overview of the cryptocurrencies, okay? Cryptocurrency market, guys. So let's start with the king, so to say, with Bitcoin. First of all, guys, if you want to take advantage of the market fluctuations and make money, check the links in the descriptions for Bybit, Phemex. There are a couple of thousands of dollars bonus waiting for you. Let me show you right now. I have a trade open here on Phemex. As you can see right now, $729, 60 cents in a profit. I already took some profits over there. So this is a short trade for Bitcoin. And as you can see here, guys, the VPVR shows us we had a lot of traded volume here at around 23K. And as of right now on the hourly, there is the RSI is leading upwards. And as you can see here, guys, we have this chart pattern here. Okay, so what can we do? In general, it's the weekend. Today is Saturday, so 24-hour changes are not pretty huge, I would say. And Bitcoin, as you can see, we have this falling wedge here. And usually a falling wedge is much more likely to break out to the upside than to the downside, okay? What does this mean? As you can see, we are touching right now. First of all, we have this support and resistance line here, 21.7K around. And as you can see here, right now, we are touching the upper line of the falling wedge plus this support and resistance line. As you can see, we are touching it from the downside. This means this is now a resistance. So what could we do now? We could entertain the idea to make a short trade. I mean, as you can see, I'm already in a short trade, but we are touching this now, the resistance line plus the upper line of the falling wedge. This means we could entertain the idea of opening a short trade. Yeah, target would be somewhere around here, and yeah, but it's more likely to break out to the upside, and the target would be somewhere around here, 22,000. Okay, because the target of this falling wedge is at the beginning here. Okay, so. But as of right now, we have the resistance line plus we're touching the upper line of the falling wedge. This means we could entertain the idea to make a short trade, yeah? Stop loss around here and take profit around here, guys, okay? As always, no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. And guys, let me show you Ethereum. Ethereum right now, same situation more or less. We have, but the difference is here. We have also a falling wedge, which is more likely to break out to the upside, but we're touching here the upper line of the falling wedge, and below us we have the support line, okay? Because we are above the line, it's a support line at around $1,508, okay? So Ethereum, we could entertain also the idea to make a short trade, but here it's a little bit risky because right now there's also the support already below us. So for Ethereum, I would just wait. For Bitcoin, we could entertain the idea of opening a short trade, guys, okay? So as you can see here, the VPVR doesn't show as much traded volume here because in this time frame here, starting 3rd February, we were never that low. So guys, that's what you can do now. If you also want to trade, check the links in the description, guys. And yes, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.